today? I hope great. So today I'm just supposed to do my makeup because I got a couple of errands to run, so I thought I'd record it in case you guys wanted to see. I just got through washing my face and moisturizing my face and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how to do that, I'll have a link to that video in the description box down below. So anyways, let's just get right into this video. Not doing nothing too fancy. You know what I'm saying? Just gonna get my little golden goddess on, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get I'm gonna be using my LA Colors 16 color eyeshadow palettes. They're right here, and I'm gonna be using this bronzy golden color that's right there. I mean, no, that's the wrong one. This one is kind of close to my skin tone. I'm gonna be using that, and I'm gonna be using my ring finger, and I'm just gonna be swooping it across the eye. What I'm trying to get everyone to understand, the reason why I share my makeup routine with you guys is to let you guys know there's no right or wrong way to do your makeup. You have to do what makes you feel comfortable. It doesn't matter if your makeup is perfect or whatever. People are gonna always have something to say. So you have to do what makes you feel good and what you're comfortable doing. So I know the makeup gurus out there and the people in the makeup industry, I don't know, they might disagree. I ain't sure, but I feel like makeup is an expression of yourself. Like when you draw art, it's like abstract art, you know what I'm saying? It's just like making music. There's different genres of music. There's different types of music. People like different stuff. We don't all like the same thing. And so that's why I suggest you do what you like. And so now I'm going to take this little applicator and I'm going to go in with this whitey color. And I'm just going to hit my top of my eyebrow bone. Or under my eyebrow bone, I mean. It'll kind of give you that appearance like your eyebrows are arched even though they're not. Alright, got this right here. That's actually a highlighter, and it's by Beauty. It's in the color Bubbly. I'm gonna take that with my brush, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Working it in. Then we're gonna go in with a color that's right here, that little bronzy color. We're gonna take that same brush. We're gonna go right, just a tad bit under where we just went into our crease. And we're gonna go right there. Right on the crease. See, the other color went a little bit above the crease and on the crease. This I'm trying to get right on the crease. Cool thing about makeup is buildable. So you can start off with a little and build yourself up. Wet n Wild glitter in the color Brass. So a glittered eyeshadow. I'm gonna take that with my ring finger, and I'm going to concentrate that right on the lid. And I don't know, you can use your finger, or if you do have one of these, this may work better. Yeah, I'm gonna use this little thing. That'll help me place it better. Right on the lid. We'll have to just build it up. Like eyeshadow glitter is cool if you don't want to work with loose glitters. Boom. So that's what it looks like. Then we're going to do the same thing on this eye. I really like these because, like I said, if you're not if you're new to makeup, you're just beginning, it's a little easier to use than dealing with loose pigments. I mean loose glitter. And it's like the consistency of imagine like a lip gloss or a Vaseline. Imagine a lip gloss or a Vaseline that has glitter in it. That's really that's kind of what it reminds you of. So I like to buy these when I catch them on sale. They come in all kind of colors. I currently have the gold and the silver. And if you have these little applicators like this, work perfect putting it on. Back in with that color and see if we can darken it up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna mix it with this color. I have a darker color over here, so I'm gonna mix it up with that and see if we can get that darkened up just a tad bit more right on the crease. Right up there on the crease. If you wanted to, you can do your eyebrows, but I'm not gonna do my eyebrows today. Eyeliner right here. It's by Avon. It's in the color Desert Gold. That's what I'm going to be using as my eyeliner today. Y'all know my look won't be complete if I don't use my favorite bronzer. I like to put on my cheeks. Alright, pink loves, I'm all done. So what you think? Or what you think? I think I did good. What do you think? What do you think of the golden goddess look? A natural golden goddess. Yes or no? Go ahead, screenshot. Screenshot me. Act like the paparazzi. Yes. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. If you want to see more fun videos like this, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Hit the bell so you don't miss any uploads. Follow me on all my other social media outlets. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique.